In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use Microsoft Excel to construct a pie graph. So let's assume that we have the following categories with the given frequencies. Also, let's calculate the percentage of each frequency and the degrees of each section in the pie graph. To compute the percentage of each frequency, we will use some of the nice features offered by Excel. So first of all, let's in this first percent cell, I'll type in equals. I'll click on the cell that contains 28. It's labeled L3. And then I will divide by the total, which is 80. And we end up with 35%. I already have how to generate the 35% is you click on the cell and you would click the percent style. And it will format the decimal as a percent. For degrees, let's type equals. Click on the L3 cell, divide by 80, and then multiply this by 360. There's 360 degrees in a circle. And we end up with 126. Now, what I'll do is I'm going to have Excel automatically fill in the rest of this data. So to do this, we select both of the cells. In the lower right-hand corner, we have what's called the fill handle. You could double-click on the fill handle or you can drag it down. Let's double-click, and it actually went a little further than we needed. Because I have to clear out the last two cells. We don't really need, well, we could just find the sum, and that would be 100%, and then the sum of the degrees is 360. And so that's how we would compute all the percentages and degrees using Excel. Now let's actually look at constructing the pie graph. To construct the pie graph, you want to select the categorical data and the frequencies, and then we click on the insert ribbon and we look for the pie graph. There it is. Let's construct a 2D pie graph. And here's the out pie graph. Let's just give it a title. I'll just type in movie genre, since those are the categories. And if you notice, it looks a little bare. You have other options up here that you can select. I always like to include the percentages for each section. So I will click on that option. It's a different option that you can have. And so there's the pie graph. Let's shift it over here. We have all the different categories, the sections of each category along with the corresponding percentages. Thanks for watching the video.